British food sometimes has a bad reputation abroad, but food in the UK is far from being bland. London is a great place for fine dining, and many celebrity chefs such as Jamie Oliver and Gordon Ramsay are British. While in any city in the UK you can find international restaurants with great food from all over the world, traditional British food is still popular at home and abroad. But what is traditional British food? Let's start with breakfast. A full English breakfast might not be the healthiest way to start the day, but it certainly is the tastiest. A full English usually includes sausages, bacon, fried tomatoes, baked beans, eggs, and buttered toast. For lunch, there is nothing more convenient than a sandwich. My favourite is a BLT, made with bacon, lettuce, and tomato. Of course, sandwiches are popular throughout the world, but this simple meal was invented by the Earl of, yes, you guessed it, the Earl of Sandwich. Sandwich is a town in the southeast of England. For an afternoon snack, there's West Country cream tea, scones with butter, jam, and cream with a cup of tea. The English love to drink tea, but always with a little milk. For dinner, I'll introduce a top 5 traditional British meals. Number 1. Roast beef. So popular that the French call the English roast beef. It is served with roasted vegetables, potatoes, and Yorkshire pudding, and covered in gravy. Number 2. Fish and chips. The fish is usually cod or haddock, which is deep fried in batter, served with chips and mushy peas. Number 3. Pie and chips. Popular pies are steak and kidney or steak and ale, served with chips. Number 4. Shepherd's pie, my favourite. Made from minced lamb covered with mashed potato with cheese on top, served with steamed vegetables. A similar dish is cottage pie, which is made with beef instead of lamb. Number 5. Toad in the hole. Sausages baked in Yorkshire pudding batter, served with gravy and roast vegetables. Delicious. That's the end of this quick introduction to British food. Tell me about the food from your country in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Click here to subscribe, or check out my other videos.